Today I'm going to be making egg salad. You're going to need eggs, ground mustard, salt, celery seed, mayonnaise, and I got to chop up some chives. On to the recipe. First thing to do, add some eggs to the water. Turn on the burner. Add a little salt to it. Now stir it up a little bit to get the salt mixed in. Now I'm going to give you a couple pointers that's very important. The first one is you notice that all the eggs are touching the bottom. That's good. If it floats, it's bad. Another thing that you have to know is if you peel it and you notice that the white is pink. It's pink because there's bacteria in it and it's spoiled. Do not eat a pink egg because it is spoiled. You don't want to make yourself sick. And they also said iridescent. So if it's iridescent or pink, it's bad. You don't want anything like that. Now, what I'm going to do is bring it to a boil. After it boils, then I'll turn it down to simmer and simmer it for 14 minutes. So, I'll be back for the boil. The source for the spoiled egg information came from the USDA website. While we're waiting for the water to boil, here are a couple pictures from Key West, Florida. One was a sunrise, one was a sunset. Both are beautiful. We're at the boil now, so I'm going to turn it down to simmer. Now we time it 14 minutes. I just took the eggs off and I drained them. And I put them in a bowl with cold ice water. Now we're going to let them chill. First thing we're going to do is crack the eggs. And make sure they're cracked good. I got a pan of water over here. And after I crack them really, really good, I'm putting it over there. That way the water gets in between the shell and that'll help it peel easier. Then I'll be going to zinc and I will be using very warm water, not too hot, but just warm, in a thin stream to help peel it underwater. Now I gotta give credit to the woman that actually did the peeling eggs under the water. Her name is Phyllis Stokes. She recently passed away, but she's still getting credit for it. So now I turn my water on. I just want a small stream and start peeling them. I'll put my pan there so I can get the shell. Now this is the first time I refrigerated the eggs to peel them. Normally I do them when they're still warm. So I don't know how good this is going to work cold. Because to me it seemed like it peeled a little bit easier when they was... It's not too bad. Warm. It's not too bad. But here's the thing, it's for egg salad anyway, so it really doesn't matter. That's how it looks. It don't really matter for egg salad, but I normally do it when they're still warm. I'll be back after I get them peeled. I found a better way to peel them. I submerge them in water, that way the water keeps getting underneath the shell and helps with the peeling process. So it's not going to be perfect because these are cold eggs. I had better luck when I cooled them just enough to handle them when it's warm. This is what they look like after I got done peeling them. It looks a lot better than that baking soda method that I use. Don't do that one. But yeah, I had better luck when I cooled them down just to warm them, peeling them underneath the faucet. And a stream will be a little stream with warm water. I will be slicing them up. That way I can smush them better. See? They're nice. They turned out good. And there are no pink ones. Make sure you don't use the pink ones because you'll get sicker than a dog. And you don't want that. The pink means they're spoiled. When I say pink, the whites will be pink. I don't know about the inside because I wasn't going to use it after I seen pink. It's like, oh, okay. Yeah, that one batch I did had a pink egg in it. I didn't know what it is, so I Googled it. Because they also said iridescent. Okay, so I'll be back after I get this sliced. Now, since I got this, I'm going to be smushing them. You just use a fork and smush it. And I'll be back after I get done of smushing it. This is what it looks like all smushed up. So, now I'm going to have to chop up my chives because I want to put some chives in here. I basically cut them. These was in our freezer. They're still good. You freeze chives. They keep their taste. I'm just going to do a bunch of chives like this. I use scissors because it's easier with scissors than with a knife. I'll be back after I get this done. That's about 2 tablespoons chopped chives that I added. There's actually really no measurements to make an egg salad. You just put in what you like. You can put even relish in here. I don't do the relish. I like the onion flavor better. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons dry mustard. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of celery salt. See, with this, you want to make sure to scrape off the excess so it's level. Now, the other one was heaping. But yeah, to measure with the dry spoons, you're going to make sure it's level. Just in case you didn't know. A lot of you already know that. But some of you might not. Now, for the mayonnaise, I really don't measure it. I do heaping tablespoons. I'm going to put in 2 for starters. And then now I'll mix everything up. And I'll be back after I get it mixed up. This is what it looks like after you mix it up. Now I'm going to let you know something about the Duke's mayonnaise that I use. It don't have any sugar in it. So if you're a diabetic, you still can use mayonnaise. Now, I will bring you around to show you what it looks like done. This is what it looks like done. I use a lot of chives because I like the onion flavor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have no sponsors for products mentioned or used. It's just the brands that I like. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Now, I have to tell you about the changes that I'm making to my channel. I'm going to be changing my channel name to reflect the new contents. Not only am I going to have my basic cooking channel, I'm also going to bring my flower arrangement channel aboard along with my nature videos. So, I have to change the name because it's going to be a life blog now. So I thought I'll give you a heads up before it happens. I think it might happen in May. That's probably the earliest I can get it done because I'm locked into this name until May. So I thought I'll let you know. Thank you for watching.